There's this
What is it?
don on YouTube called Steve Wallace, right? And he literally does this thing. It's called stealth camping.
I looked out the window and I saw this roundabout.
Bro, he just goes to a roundabout in the middle of like a random street and just sleeps in the bush in the middle. But the reason it's so creased is because he moves like he's wanted, bro. Like the guy will be in the bush and he'll be like, oh God, there's a couple cars coming past. We got to keep our head down here. Make sure we don't get spotted. Bro, he was in this roundabout, right? And there was a big office building that looked over it. And he sat in the bush and he goes, oh, I don't need to worry about that office building because I called them before I came here and asked what their office hours were.